Good morning everyone. Good morning. It's your girl Irene. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm coming live from East Africa, Kenya. Yeah, it's been a very long time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're always coming back to watch my videos, you are a returning subscriber. Thank you for your love and support. I don't take you for granted, guys. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning, Sunday, here in the village, and this is where I live. This is my window here. Yeah, so guys, let's get into this video. I want to prepare tea. I want to show you how we do prepare tea here in the village, and I want to do some morning chores kidogo. So stay tuned and don't stop watching my videos kindly. I've been sick, but God has been so wonderful. I'm getting well day by day. Yeah, today I don't feel dizzy. For some 4 days I haven't been feeling dizzy. I finished my medication and injections, and at least now I'm better. Yeah, so we are better. We are back on the track, and let's just keep praying for each other. So the maize, you can see the maize, it had been raining, and you can see the pollen grain on the maize. The maize are putting on the stalks are putting on maize cobs. You can see from this side it's very grassy outside here. You can see how the grass have grown because of the constant rain, you know. So today I wanted to remove these things from my window, the weeds here. You know, it's still wet down here, but I'm waiting for the sun at least to come out so that I remove these weeds. I don't like them. I don't like this the weeds, especially when they're next to my windows. They attract small insects, you know, kama dulimanyoa, and I don't like it. You know, it has been raining. It's rained the whole night. It rained the whole night, and my utensils are here. I want to wash my utensils. I decided to wash from here. I love the space, you know, so I'm gonna be washing my utensils from here, and I start preparing my breakfast. So guys, stay tuned as I do my chores. You can see how the ground is. The earth is very wet. It's due to the heavy rain that poured the whole night. Yeah, so this is my jiko. My everything is here, so I want to wash these utensils. After you washing the utensils, I'll be prepared. washing utensils, guys. I'm washing utensils from outside. I love the space, scrubbing the pots. You can use sand if you don't want to use steel wool, because we believe steel wool is not okay. So me, I just actually wash. I have a sponge that it can wash the cups, the plates, and the pots at the same time. So I'm out here washing and washing and washing utensils. It's wet, the ground is wet. It rained. It had rained last night, the whole last night. Some people overslept, but those who had to go to the farm, hey, I'm telling you, farmers will just go to the farm and weed their crops and whatever they have to do, you know, if you have land. That is, yeah. So guys, I'm washing utensils. After washing utensils, I'll be preparing my breakfast. There I was going to throw waste from ugali, yeah, the pot, you know, when you prepare ugali, there's some stuff that remains on the pot. So I put on the basin and I'm going to throw the dirt at the dustbin. We have a dustbin, what do we call it in English? The one that is the pit, yeah, the one that is dark outside the compound. That's where I was going to throw. And at that pit we throw them, and it turns into manure like manure is not like fertilizer. This is manure that is it's produced from the waste products that we throw in that all that is dark, and that's also good for planting, you know. It's good for planting crops. Most people use it to plant crops when they're planting sugar cane, maize, and extra. Yeah, and recently using a lot of water because it has very rain. We have plenty of water. When it normal rains, we do have a lot of water. Yeah, so you just have to wash your utensils and make sure that your utensils are clean. I was shocked to find out that my biggest basin is broken. I think I was maybe cutting vegetables and I dropped a knife. I have a very sharp knife on the basin and it penetrated. So right now it's leaking. I don't feel okay because the basin is leaking, but it's okay. Maybe it's just telling me that it's old. I need to get a new one. I love that blue bucket because I bought it online, and it's from Kenpol. Anything from Kenpol, I'm there for it. I love Kenpol. Their stuffs are very original. Yeah. So I got it from Kenpol. I love it so much. That one I do make sure that I don't drop the knife in it, because my knife is very sharp, and when it penetrates, meaning that my bucket will cut through my bucket, and I won't feel okay. I'll cry. You know what I'm saying? I'll cry and cry. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscriing, and make sure that you put on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I post a video. You know, in this plot, when you silence is something that you won't get, because we are very close to each other and everyone is talking. So it's just okay to allow everyone to talk. You know, I know you're gonna hear the background voice, so it's everyone, my neighbors and all that. So guys, it's it's now 8 p.m. I want to prepare a tea, and I have my jiko here. I have my charcoal here, and these are cartons to lit my jiko. Yeah, I have my water here. This is my milk. This milk I got from the cow. It's milked and boiled. You can see it has some cream on top of it. Yeah, and I have my tea leaves. This tea leaves cost 10 shillings. This one is Fahari. This is the pure tea leaves from Kericho, Fahari. And I have my sugar. This sugar is 20 shillings. This one is 20 shillings. Yeah, so we get sugar that will I get sugar that is enough for a day. So this one I can take it for 2 days. Yeah, this sugar. So let us put the charcoal on the jiko and lit our jiko. My charcoal today seems wet, but because I have enough cartons, I just hope it's gonna light up. So let us do this, guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling
Sometimes when the charcoal is wet, maybe it was rained on, or they cooled down the charcoal with water, it gets so difficult to light it up, so you have to fan it all through, all through, all through. So in this case, my charcoal was wet and I had to use a lot of cotton for it to light up here. So all along I've been trying to lit this charcoal up to get the red coal, and finally my charcoal is on. So I have my cup, my saving. I got my flask of water just to wash the pot once again of sufuria to make sure that it's clean, because I'm cooking from outside. You don't know what has fallen on it, so you just have to make sure that the pot is clean. Yeah, so I chose to cook it from there because everywhere was wet. It had been rain at all today. And I just want to put I just want to put the pot on the jiko. Pour there the milk and start preparing tea. I'm still fanning the jiko because I want to make sure that the black coal is red. The black charcoal is red charcoal now for the pot, for me to put the pot, because when it's red also the pot does not catch the soot. When the charcoal has smoke, it's obvious that the pot will catch the soot. And I love cooking. It's either cooking here, you can see the pot has already catched the fire. You can see the smoke, what does it call, what do we call it, and when I love cooking on the jiko because it burns the pot. So when the tea comes out from this jiko, the tea will be very, very hot. It's like it smells fire. So I prefer cooking on the jiko, also cooking on the three stones with firewood. But when you want, like in the evening when you have a gas, it's better when you're having a cooking gas or an electrical gas or electrical plates, yeah, for the evenings. And sometimes cooking in the morning on the gas when you have kids who are going to school is also okay. So this is 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. You can decide to take a cup of tea, one special tea, of which you don't have to add water. You just have to use 1 cup of milk and put your tea leaves and sugar. But in this case, I have 1 cup of milk, and I'm gonna be adding there 3 cups, because I love taking tea. When I put my tea in the flask, I love taking tea in intervals, like 1 cup in the morning and take another cup later. And sometimes, like, I just take tea all day through. I don't have time to go to lunch. Yeah, I've added my tea leaves. That's ketepa tea leaves. That's our #1 tea leaves in the country here in Kenya. It comes from Kericho. Yeah, it's the #1 tea leaves in Kenya. Kenya. This one is exported even in other parts of the country. Yeah, so our tea is there, and you can see it's about to boil, man. Our tea is about to boil. I'm just sitting there and waiting for this tea. This is very, very Kong tea. It's concentrated. It doesn't have a lot of water like you go and climb on Mountain Everest and add water. No. It's very, very, we call it strong. It's like concentrated. Like in my tribe we call it tikinyi. This is the tikinyi tea I'm talking about, man. Yeah, so guys, I'm just waiting for the tea to boil. After boiling, I'll be adding what we call sugar. So I do take little sugar. I don't like a lot of sugar. No. And I was still in my pajamas. That's my pajamas and my Crocs. Today I forgot to put on my socks. It was very cold, and I wonder why I was not wearing cold socks. I do love socks because I do love socks. Like right now, all my socks are torn, but I have to go and look for the second ones. I love socks because of here in the village I try to avoid my legs to get cracked. Hey, you can see my tea, how it's looking. Ooh, it was already boiled. Boiled, 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 boiled. You can see the bubbles, so bubble, very thickiny. My tea is very thickiny. Yeah, so you have to allow your tea to boil to make sure that it has caught the heat. Like, you know when you drink it, it doesn't taste milk, it doesn't taste water, it tastes pure tea. So after it has boiled, we are going to add sugar. As you can see, I'm adding my sugar. This sugar is produced here in Kenya, though most of the factories have closed down, but we are trying to maneuver. So I've used our number one Kenyan tea leaves, and I'm also using our Kenyan sugar. There's a time I got sugar from Brazil, and I heard that it had what, bronze or something. I don't know how people determine that one. Yeah, so my tea, I've added sugar. It's boiling. Before I sieve it, and I sieve it direct to my I put it direct to my flask. I'm gonna taste to see if the sugar is enough. You're not gonna see that because my tripod is a bit short, and I don't have nobody to shoot it. So I tested my tea, and it has enough sugar. I'm not going to add more sugar, so I'm going just to pour it directly, sieve it and put it in my flask directly. That's how we do it. That's how we do it here in the village. Yeah, you see how that's the perfect tea. That's how tea should look like. When you say milk with tea, when you say tea in some countries, tea it's black tea, but now here in Kenya, this is our tea. This is how we say tea. Chai. In Middle East, chai is black tea. Here chai is this one. Chai, we call it strong tea. So I'm going to use that carton to hold the pot. It's very hot, and yes, you can see my pot has soot on it because of this charcoal. Yeah, so I'm pouring it, then I'll cover it with my flask well, so that my tea does not become cold. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can't wait to take this tea in my favorite cup. Yeah, our tea is it's ready in the flask. I'm just going to sprinkle water on that flask to make sure that the flask is clean. When you're presenting food on the table, you just make sure that everything is clean. Like now you can see when I was pouring tea in the flask, it got dirty, so I'm going to sprinkle it with water to make sure that it's tea. So here is the tea. I'm pouring it in my favorite cup and tasting it. Enjoy my tea with me as I taste it and put it on my mouth. It's amazing. Like, cover the flask, Irene. Cover the flask, Irene. Cover the flask, Irene. You can see the bubbles on the top of the cup. Those bubbles, it means like a lot of money. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you in another video. I'm sweating. Bye bye.